Things have gotten very busy very quickly. Gabrielle up here in the north and northeast Atlantic is now post-tropical, so you won't hear us talking about Gabrielle anymore. Our main focus will be Humberto and future Imelda here off to the west. It's near Hispaniola and Cuba now, expected to become a system as it lifts northward. We'll start with an update though with Humberto. Not expected to directly impact the United States, but this storm could impact our other storm, the strength and path eventually as we go down the road. New update from the National Hurricane Center. Humberto is a Category 1 hurricane with 75-mile-per-hour winds. Expected to keep on strengthening, and it'll likely become a Category 3 or 4 this weekend, early next week, as then it takes that big hook past Bermuda and then out to sea. But you see, it's still pretty close to that other system, so these two could interact a little bit, and that's partially why there's so much uncertainty about the exact path and strength of what will become a tropical depression, eventually tropical storm Imelda here within the next couple of days. Here pretty soon, probably the next 12 to 24 hours, we'll have a tropical depression somewhere near the Bahamas, and then from there it'll lift northward up the southeast coast. There's two different kind of steering mechanisms. One is Humberto and another is an upper level low over the southeast. The upper level low is trying to pull it inland. Humberto is trying to pull it out to sea, so that's why there's some spread. But you see, the general consensus is that it heads north toward the Carolinas. Some models then take it out to sea as it gets close to the coast, and some take it inland. So there is still some uncertainty, but I can tell you I'm becoming more confident in some sort of impact here, especially for our coastline. It's very possible that by early next week we have two hurricanes out here in the Atlantic, one close to the North Carolina, South Carolina coast, and then of course Humberto in the central Atlantic. The extent of our potential impact is what we're trying to nail down. But the thing is, you know, this has all happened pretty quickly and we don't have a whole lot of time to get ready. So if you're at the coast, I want to pass this information along to you. I want you to have your hurricane plan kind of refresh, start thinking about that, looking over it, be on standby just in case it does look more likely to make landfall. And if you're here inland, start thinking about some heavy rainfall early next week. Our pattern's likely going to be pretty unsettled. Again, there is still some uncertainty, not a guarantee that this makes landfall, but we're likely to see some sort of impact from future Imelda early next week, next Monday or Tuesday. And that's where we stand right now. So keep checking back and we'll pass along new information as we get it. Some clouds overhead this morning. We have a stalled front in the area. A few showers and storms in the upstate of South Carolina lifting our direction. We're starting warm and muggy, 60s, low 70s out there. There is some patchy fog in the mountains and foothills, so keep that in mind on your way to work or school. Temperatures near 80 later this afternoon. We should be mainly dry aside from clouds and maybe a couple sprinkles or a stray shower this morning. Scattered thunderstorms possible this afternoon, the typical afternoon and evening time frame. Not everyone sees them, but there'll certainly be a few around. You might hear a few rumbles of thunder later on. Watch for some fog in the mountains this morning, and then we will see those storms pop up later on. So mainly dry to start. A couple storms later on this afternoon. Overnight tonight and heading into Saturday, it looks like we have a better batch of rain on the way. Things are staying unsettled this weekend. Some shower storms possible at times. Saturday looks like the wetter of our 2 weekend days. It's not going to rain all the time, but have the rain gear ready and keep those plans flexible. We could be looking at a good amount of rain between now and early next week, depending on what happens with Imelda, so a flood threat may develop. Bottom line, I want you to keep checking back. We're in an active weather pattern. We'll have updates for you every single day here on WXII 12.